Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Repeat here. Today, Ian Nepomniachtchi won again against Richard Rapport, and Fabiano is trailing behind. He has winning position right now against Rajabov. However, it's still not that clear yet. The position is pretty sharp. Both players will win, and whoever wins. I mean, Caruana should win, but not that easy. So, pretty interesting tournament. Don't remember something like that previous years. Maybe London 2013, but it was the script was a bit different. Let's say when Magnus and Aronian were leading, and then Kramnik made a big breakthrough, and it was unclear till the last round. So this time it's two players leading. Ian is half point ahead, and the rest just not playing some other level. Yeah, let's say on this tournament. Someone was expecting like Dean to compete, and didn't happen, and the rest of the ensemble is not just coping with these two guys. Ian's performance may be connected with his match against Carlsen. Normally this kind of matches, they give a lot to player's strength, even though he lost badly to Magnus, but still he found a lot of it was big investment in his basically chess strength. So Rapport before this match was on 50% all draws. If he wins, maybe he had some plans to play further for the championships, for winning the tournament. So he played e4. I think Rapport is very doesn't have like some firm repertoire. He plays a lot of, or has been playing a lot of weird lines previously. And e5. You know that Ian is neither specialist, but this situation when he plays with black really doesn't require from him to play for a win. He just wants a calm draw. He won a game yesterday, and he plays this Petrov defense. Takes, black takes, and black takes back. When I was a kid, I didn't really understand what's going on. I thought that white somehow can hold to this pawn, but it's just not working out. And white is playing against this knight on e4. Yeah, they try to win some tempi or create some tension against this knight. So bishop d6, castles, c4, c6. You cannot capture here because your knight is hanging, so you want to defend it. Queen b3. I think this is some sideline, probably his home prep. In many instances we see this rook e1 more common. Just queen b3 attacking this pawn. Just variation for one game probably. Bishop g4. So he took and played knight to g5, attacking the pawn on e4. Engine says that white is a little bit better. Black has two bishops, but they have this weak pawn on e4. Bishop e7, attacking the knight, and takes on d4. So Ian allows this capture on b7 and attacking the rook, which is not that easy to protect. So this is the only move basically. In order to fight for initiative, it takes the knight, takes the rook, and in this position move which I don't know, I would never consider, but it's definitely a home preparation by Ian. Bishop to h3. So let's calculate the material. Currently black is exchanged down and one pawn, and they sacrifice a piece, so if it's not working out, then you lost. The queen here is trapped, it cannot really join the defense, and black has a lot of pieces around white's king. Also these pieces are not really helping. So again, if you open up this king's position, then it's probably a draw. Otherwise, white's winning, yeah, with a lot of material. So you cannot play like g3 because it's mate on g2 and you have to cope with it. So he took queen g6 check, basically the only move. Queen to e4 check, they repeated, and in this position Rapport thought for a long time. King to g1, so this is immediate draw by repetition, and the Rapport was thinking, okay, I will play for a win. I think that nobody would make, like not nobody, but I was thinking about such players as Anand, yeah, that well, it's 7 rounds ahead, you haven't lost the game, there is really a lot of things can happen, yeah, and you're not better. You tried to play some sideline, and opponent, very strong opponent, was ready for it, so just accept your face, yeah, but he wanted some trouble, and Richard made a couple of draws in this tournament already, where he was down against Duda. He had like a losing position, but he played it and he managed to draw, so he decided to go for some adventure. f3. So now kind of you cannot give check, but queen starts attacking, queen to d3, attacking the rook. King to g2. I was thinking this knight to d2, but unfortunately after queen to d7, this queen is trapped here, and black is just better, so king g2 is the best move. Check, queen to d3 again, and in this position he made the losing move. Yeah, he could still make this repetition and draw the game, but he can probably consider that, well, I will have 2 rooks and try to, you know, play for win a little bit. Knight e4, so he won the queen, and queen to h3. So material wise white is very good, but the problem with this having 2 rooks is that you need to have a position suitable for these rooks, yeah, they have to be coordinated, all these pieces, yeah, but you cannot really say that white's king is bad, but it becomes bad really quickly after this h5 pawn moves, and white just cannot create threats immediately, yeah, they need more closed position. This position is extremely open and it's perfect for queen. h6, bishop to g3, knight to c5. Engine was saying that like bishop e3, maybe just not allowing this knight to join the game, but now knight is closer, h5, queen to f5. So there is no like a direct threat, yeah, but black has excellent king. They can have h4, they can throw in this h4, and they also can win this, not win, but attack this f3 pawn, which is extremely annoying. h4, taking was the best option, but he didn't like something after knight to f4, like dominant knight, and if you play something like this, yeah, this queen and knight create very powerful combination. Knight g4 takes, and queen to f2. Unfortunately, white's pieces are very passive. White is not in time again to create any threat, so he played h3, because in this position h3 is a threat, and rook cannot capture it because queen takes. Bishop h2, bishop g5, attacks the queen, he just moves it, and queen to d3. Just notice how many pieces are attacked, yeah, and unfortunately white cannot do anything. If they have option to exchange the bishops, then there can be some kind of fortress, but unfortunately after bishop e3, bishop f6 is the best move. White cannot really force black to exchange this, and this pawn is attacked now, so he has to defend it. He took this pawn on a7, but he gives up very important pawn on h3. So again, this queen, pawn, and bishop are extremely strong against just totally open king. h3, bishop to h4, and now motives with connected with h2 are also available for black, just queening, and in this position Rapport resigned. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.